at davidpakman.com.
Welcome back to the David Pakman Show. Let's talk about a California judge ruling that a sexual assault wasn't rape because the victim, the woman, was not married. This is unbelievable, Lewis. California Appeals Court has overturned the rape conviction of a man charged with raping a sleeping woman, basing the decision on an 1872 law that does not protect unmarried women with the same protections as those who are married. According to the LA Weekly blog, the court found in favor of Julio Morales, who was convicted of rape after he slipped into bed with a sleeping 18-year-old woman and initiated sex with her, pretending to be her boyfriend. The assault took place a couple of years ago. She and the boyfriend had fallen asleep together after a night of drinking, agreeing not to have sex that night. The boyfriend, who had an appointment early, got up and left. Then Morales, a friend of the victim's brother, climbed into bed with the woman and began to have sex with her, thinking it was her boyfriend. She reciprocated initially, and then when a flash of light revealed that it was someone else in her bed, she cried out, pushed him away, and began to cry. The reversal of the rape charge is based on this law in the California Penal Code, which says that any person who fraudulently obtains the consent of another to sexual relations escapes criminal liability unless he or she masquerades as the victim's spouse. So, had they been married, there would have been protection here. However, he did fraudulently obtain the consent based on the idea of being the boyfriend, not the spouse. Incredible.
Yeah. I don't see how this can happen in a civilized country, but it's happening, and it's a total joke.
I want to be clear, though. The court did say that the case should be retried, that the law is archaic, should be examined and possibly overturned. So, and there was actually, incredibly, a woman on the three-judge panel that handled the appeal. I actually think that it makes sense to bring in archaic laws, right? I mean, I think that this case should be settled by having the rapist and the woman's boyfriend, they should have a duel at the center of town at high noon. That should be the way.
Well, I mean, that's basically the same time period here we're talking about.
The other issue is that apparently the accused has served 3 years in prison already during the entire proceedings here. So that whether he's retried or not, it's very possible that he's not going to be spending any additional prison time, because once we get through everything that's going on here, there wouldn't be any more jail time potentially.
Well, still, the law needs to go for the sake of other people.